Hi dear, welcome Ridgy Academy. Today's our topic is ribosomes. Yesterday we have completed some cell organelles. Today our cell organelle is ribosomes. The ribosomes, the first invented that scientist's name is that George Faladay. He is in year 1955. He invented that the ribosomes. Hence, these ribosomes is called also Faladay granules. Faladay granules. Why means the Faladay is invented that ribosome cell organelles. These are non-membranous small organelles. These are non-membranous, very smallest organelles. These all are present in ribosomes are present in both prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. Prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. Both cells are contain the ribosomes. These are very small organelles or non-membranous organelles. So the first inventor, the scientist's name is that George Faladay. Hence this is called also Faladay granules. Okay, based on the size and the sedimentation coefficient. Based on the size and sedimentation coefficients. So the ribosomes there are two types. One is 70S ribosomes, and the second one is that 80S ribosomes. 70S and 80S ribosomes. Mainly the ribosomes are made up of nucleoproteins. These are made up of nucleoproteins, and all the ribosomes are made up of two components. One is that small unit, and another one is that large unit. And here the ribosomes they are present in the cytoplasm as well as they are attached to that endoplasmic reticulum. And here this is the 70S ribosomes. These two types of ribosomes, here 70S and 80S. The 70S ribosomes they are present in both prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. Prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. Comparatively true. And here the 80S ribosomes they are present only in eukaryotic cells. Eukaryotic cells like as a plant cells and animal cells. And here the ribosomes are except on that mature mammalian RBC cells and germinal cells. They are absent in that ribosome particles. Okay, and here in these prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells, here mainly in the eukaryotic cells, the 70S ribosomes are present in chloroplast and mitochondria. The 80S ribosomes they are present in the cytoplasm as well as at the nuclear membrane. The ribosomes are attached at the nuclear membrane, and some of that it can present into that cytoplasm also. Okay, and here these ribosomes, the molecular weight is 2.6 into 10 to the power of 6 daltons. This is the molecular weight, And the 80S ribosomes molecular weight is that 4.0 10 to the power of 6 Daltons. Okay, this is the molecular weight is present, and this is the 4.0 into 10 to the power of 6 Daltons is present, right? And here the 70S ribosome, it made up of two subunits. One is the large subunit and another one is that small subunit. The large subunit is that 50S and the small subunit is that 30S. And here also the 80S ribosomes also, it made up of one large subunit, one small subunit. One is that 60S, 40S. Okay, here the SS means here, SS means here, this is the sedimentation coefficient. Sedimentation coefficient. So this sedimentation coefficient, there is invented that scientist name is that Swedberg. Because of this reason, so we have abbreviated into that S. Okay, and the chemical composition of the ribosomes here, these are nucleoproteins made up of some specific type of rRNAs and proteins. rRNAs and some special type of the proteins are present here. The protein name is that, the special type of protein name is that name is ribozyme. This is the special type of the protein. This protein, it present into that the large size of subunits. Okay, and the chemical composition of ribosomes here, these ribosomes are, it can contain the 70S ribosomes, or it can present into that 3 types of RNAs are present, and here 4 types of RNAs are present. Here in this the 50S subunit, the large size of subunit, 50S subunit, it contains that 23S and 5S, 23S and 5S, and here the 30S subunit, it contains 16S RNA. And here this is the 80S ribosomes, or they are present into the 4 types of ribosome RNAs are present. Here the large size of subunit, it can contain that 23S, 5S and 5.8S. Okay, these 3 types of the ribosomes RNAs are present into these 80S ribosomes. And then next to small subunit of ribosome, and it is contain that 18S RNA present into that these ribosomes. And here these ribosomes are mainly, they are it present into that cytoplasm, and it attached to that nuclear membrane and endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, so this is the main ribosomal particles. And here when these are it involved in the, mainly these ribosomes are involved in that protein synthesis process. Hence this is called also protein factories of proteins. The ribosomes is called also factories of proteins. And when the process is involved in the synthesis, so that time the large size of the subunit, it can contain that 2 types of the sites. One is that A site, another one is that P site. A site means amino acyl site and P site means peptidyl site. Okay, this is the main subunits of, and the diagram of ribosomes is that here this is the large subunit, this is the small subunit. Okay, this is the small subunit, and here in between of small and large subunits, so they are associated and dissociation. Comparatively, that association and dissociation is influenced by the magnesium concentration. Magnesium concentration is influenced that magnesium concentration is influenced to association or dissociation. When here the magnesium concentration, when it present into that cytoplasm 0.01 mole, so that time the two units, subunits, or they are associated. When here the less of this concentration between of these two subunits, or they are dissociated. So slightly this in this place, this is basophilic type of that. So this is the ribosomal cell organelles. Okay, and here there are the contain two types of the ribosomes present. One is that 70S ribosomes and 80S. Here the 70S ribosomes are present in both prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. Here only prokaryotic cells such as like plant cell and animal cells. Here the 70S ribosomes are located inside of the cells in the cell organelles of chloroplast and mitochondria, and here the 80S ribosomes are located in eukaryotic cells in the cytoplasm, as well as they are attached to the nuclear membrane of the endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, and it's here the molecular weight of these 70S ribosomes is that 2.6 into 10 to the power of 6. Sorry, here this is the 2.7. Okay, 2.7 into 10 to the power of 6 daltons, and here the molecular weight is that 4.0 into 10 to the power of 6 daltons. Here the 70S ribosomes are made up of two components, like that large subunit is that 50S, small subunit is 30S. Here large subunit is 60S, small subunit is 40S. The chemical composition is that the ribosomes are made up of nucleoproteins. So here the nucleoproteins are RNA and the special type of the proteins. Here the protein name is that ribozyme. Here the 70S ribosomes they are present into the three types of RNA, that is 23S, 5S, 16S. And here four types of the RNAs are present, that is 23S, 5S, 5.8S and 40 subunit contain that 80S. So this is the recapitulation of ribosomal structure.